Okay, so these pass this model here, the guide block. Okay, I'm just going to draw this basic shape here, extrude it out, and then cut down. And it's really nowhere near as complex as it kind of looks. Let me just double check the units, English units. Okay, so we can just jump right into it. And now the computer's not lagging too much today, I guess. And we'll work against the front plane. And I'll just start at the origin, come across, comes up like so, then like so, right? Then over, then down, then over, then down. All right, that's the basic shape. Yep. Okay, I'll start with the largest dimension on that just to get it kind of 0.75 to where it wants to be. And then 1.75 is a height. Sometimes if you're taller than you estimated wrong, it'll squish and you got to mess around, but we're in good shape here. Okay, so over here we got 1.25 to this distance. Oh, wow. I just about nailed it. I did know. How about that? That's rare that that happens. And then 0.75 here. Then the distance to here is 1.5. So here we'll go from this edge to that point. 0.75, right? Or is it 1.5? That's definitely not 10. 0.75. I think that's what I said it was. Yep, 1.5. My short-term memory is so fried. 1.5. There we go. There we go. And we got 60 degrees down here and 25 degrees right here. So we'll put in the 60 degrees. And then the 25 degrees. There we go. And then we have a hole with a 1/4 inch or 3/4 inch diameter. See how my computer lags there. And we got a 1.5 inch X and a 0.75 on the Y. 1.5. And 0.75. Okay, so that's our basic shape, our profile of the object. And we're going to extrude it 1.5, 1.5. So let's exit out of here. Features, extrude base. Put the distance in here as 1.5. Okay. Now we're going to cut, make it basically a cutting tool to come straight down. It's 1/4 inch around every edge, 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. So we're going to put a rectangle shape in there, use it as like a cutting tool and just shoot it straight down 1.5 inches. Okay. So we'll put a sketch plane right on the very top. I'm just going to take a rectangle and start it out here, because if I start it in there, it could cause problems. I'm just bringing it about there. And we'll start putting 1/4 inch dimensions all around from here to here. 0.25. From here to here. 0.25. From here to here. 0.25. Okay. And of course, we'll leave this out in the open because you know it's got this angle on here, and it can get weird if you have it inside. Okay, so now we're just going to shoot down. Exit the sketch. We're just going to shoot this shape down. It's 1 3/4 of an inch. We've got a 1/4 inch down here, so we'll go 1 1/2 from here. That'll give us that 1/4 inch. So we're just going to features and extrude cut. And there we go. And it's already in there, 1.5. Sometimes you get lucky. And just hit OK. There it is. You can get to this cube by just hitting the space bar. Then from there you can like grab something, whatever, and you'll see a little picture up in the right hand corner of what you're looking at. All right, there it is.